Hi friends, welcome back. So in this video I'll be discussing about priority of the defects. We discussed in earlier video the severity of the defects. So now we'll discuss about priority of the defect. What is all about priority of the defects? What are some of the examples for priority of the defect in classifying? I'm going to discuss in detail in this video. First we'll discuss what is all about priority of the defects. In software testing, the prioritizing defect is a very crucial, because we have a limited resources in the software testing field. The resources could be human resources or hardware resources, where we have to allocate very efficiently to resolve those issues, and we have to adapt the resources for critical issues to be addressed very quickly. We have to allocate all our resources for solving the critical issues, and that becomes highest priority defect. Defect prioritization is very crucial. Again, it is based on the impact on the defect of the application and the urgency of fixing it. That we will call it as a priority of the defect. The priority of the defect we are categorized into multiple things. The first one is high priority defects. The high priority defects are nothing but which is having a significant impact on the functionality, usability or security of the application, and we call that defects under high priority defects. If you take an example, critical bugs or critical defects that causes system crashes, data loss, security vulnerability or a major functional failures, we will categorize it as a high priority defects, where we have to put a significant effort to fix those issues on high priority. And the next type of priority we call it as a medium priority. Medium priority are nothing but defects that have a noticeable impact, which may not have a high impact, but there is a defect, but there is an impact is there which is noticeable on the user experience or software functionality, but are not very urgent or critical. Then we call that defects under medium priority. For example, including major functional issues, performance degradation or usability problems that affects a significant portion of the user. And the next type of defects we call it under low priority are defects that are minimal impact on the software application or relatively minor in nature. Example including cosmetic issues, minor functional glitches, documentation errors that do not significantly affect user experience or system functionality. The next one is deferred priority. Deferred priority is nothing but defects that are acknowledged. Okay, these are defects, but these defects can be fixed in the next releases and so on, because as of now this defect is not that much priority, and even without fixing also it is fine. That kind of defects we are going to move into the next releases cycle. These defects may be postponed to future releases or addressed during routine maintenance updates or patches. That kind of defects we categorize under deferred priority. Now if you take another example for this is like minor enhancements, feature requests or non-critical usability improvements, we categorize under this deferred priority.